My name is Skylar Cobb and I work for F&P Georgia, and I am the Asset Essentials Administrator and Production Engineer. My role for Asset Essentials is to pretty much be the administrator and take care of any problems, assign work orders and PMs. With Asset Essentials, our goal was to have a track history and a record of our PMs and to have a scheduling for them. With data from Asset Essentials, we were able to allocate work towards other technicians that don't have as much work, so we can keep the workload kind of balanced for everyone else. We actually also are able to get more efficiency. Instead of having one technician do 100 hours of work a week, we can kind of disperse that into a few others that don't have as much work. Overall, my experience with Dude Solutions has been great. The support team has also been very responsive and always on the spot for me whenever I need them. If someone was considering Dude Solutions, I would definitely recommend it to them. With the support team that Dude Solutions has and how fast they respond and how quick they are to assist with any problems that I have.